I now request Mr. Nandlal Pokhardas, our guest of honor for the day, to address the gathering, please.
Good evening to one and all present here. A medical institution that thousands of people trust in and approach when they need help. A trust endowed with a charitable policy and influenced by minds that look towards health, education, and empowerment as the routes to progress. A noble sponsorer who follows this mindset and provides a platform for the youth to grow, to develop, and to unfold their wings. What a place to be in. A man of my background could have no better moment to take part in, and no better people to congratulate than you all. I am deeply honored at being invited to be a part of this endowment lecture and prize giving ceremony. During the introduction, I was introduced to both great Sri Venugopal as well as Dhingra Family Charitable Trust. I was told of the dream and effort of Sri Venugopal to set up an exclusive non-profitable eye hospital to cater to all, which has been instrumental in the growth of Shankar Netralaya as one of the finest institutions in the world. I was told of the scholarship instituted through the generosity of Dhingra family, who have reached out all the way from California to educate children in South Asia. In my opinion, these two are extremely laudable efforts, and I salute all who are involved. The process of spreading preventive, curative, and research data on health and healthcare to the public as a part of his endowment lecture is a beautiful idea. In today's world, awareness and knowledge of healthcare is basic necessity, something that we do not get very easily. It is a great initiative, one that I see has had great success in the previous years. Mr. Swaminathan's lecture on Saptapati, the 7 ways of life, has been an amazing, beautifully informative continuation of this tradition, and I hope this lecture series will continue for the years to come. Speaking of Dhingra Trust Award, what can I say? To reach out and lend a hand to help with the education of children of one's colleagues and employees is a very noble act indeed, one that Dhingra Trust has been fulfilling to great rewards. To see such bright faces, to hear of their achievements, and to have the honor of awarding them for their victories and contribution is a pleasure indeed. Children and students, you have been given a huge stroke of good fortune, and I am glad to see you use it as well. I am proud to see that these minds, bodies, and souls are the rulers, are going to be the rulers of tomorrow, and I see you and I think the future is safe. And congratulations to one and all. Once again, I am honored to be a part of this valuable tradition and great function, and I thank my respectable, the great Mr. Badrinath, whom I have like a father. I look at him, and he has been a great admirer and inspirer to me. And thank our Dr. Surendra, who has invited me and asked me to be the guest of honor. I thank one and all for being present here, and thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.